Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring power and info are ready. Put fresh batteries in the universal remote and turn the TV on with its power button so you can confirm changes. Keep the remote within about 3 feet of the TV. Proximity matters for the initial programming. Locate the TV's brand or model number now because you will need it for code entry or automatic search. Once done, you're ready to begin the coding or auto-scan sequence described next. You'll choose between manual code entry or the remote's auto-search. For manual, press the device key, enter the manufacturer code, then test volume and power. If it works, save the code. If unsure, start auto-search. Hold the device button and press power until the TV reacts. Release to lock the working code. Make sure to try basic functions, volume, input, channel, because some codes cover limited features. Once the TV responds reliably, store the setting so you finish by verifying every control you need works: input switching, guide, menu, and volume. If a button misbehaves, try saving another code variant or rerun the auto search because different codes unlock different features. Make sure to label the remote or record the code for backup. If the remote still fails, check battery contacts and aim the remote directly at the IR sensor. Intermittent range or obstructions are common problems. If nothing helps, consult the Universal Remote Manual for device-specific steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.